Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am finally sitting down to film my Sephora VIB sale haul. I made 2 online purchases and 1 in-store purchase. I am just waiting on my second order, but I didn't want to wait for that order to film the haul because I really just honestly want to unpack all of this and put it in my collection. Plus, the last order that I'm waiting on was only 3 items. 1 item is a candle from the Forever Mood candle line from Jackie Aina. I forget what the candle was called, but it was kind of like a cakey scented one. I'm really looking forward to smelling that candle. I almost bought it in my first online purchase that I made, but I ended up not, and then I ended up really thinking about that candle often and wanting to smell it, so I ended up just buying it. And then the other 2 items that I picked up were both from In Beauty Project, which I'm kind of regretting picking up because now the In Beauty Project line is having a 25% off sale on their website, which I got the items for 20% off on Sephora. So I could have saved a little bit more money, but I picked up the In Beauty Project pimple paste and then the In Beauty Project little highlighting skincare item that they have. Let's start out with the products that I picked up in the store. So the first item that I picked up in the store, which I was so happy that they had in stock, I was really worried that they were going to be sold out of this. This is the Briogeo Detox and Repair Duo set. It comes with the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo, and then the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I went through already an entire jar of both of these products, and when I saw that Briogeo came out with a really discounted set of both of these, I knew that I wanted to scoop it up. I have been trying a couple of new curly hair shampoo and conditioners and not really have been a fan of them, especially since I had just finished up my Briogeo Scalp Revival and Don't Despair Repair and loved those so much. So yeah, there's a couple of things in my shower that I'm not really loving right now, and it does kind of make me want to open this up, but I am going to wait because I did pick up another kind of curly hair system from Sephora that I'll show you guys in a little bit that I'm actually also really enjoying. I do really want to have a few hair care systems that I've tried and really enjoyed so that I can kind of recommend them and then always know that I can fall back on those. But I do like trying new things. Another set that I picked up in store was the Laneige Midnight Minis 5-piece lip sleeping mask set. This set was only $18. I was super disappointed when this set sold out online, and then when I walked into my local Sephora and I saw it, I knew that I needed to have it. It comes with the original lip sleeping mask, and then the sweet candy scent, the gummy bear scent, the lemon scent, and then the mint chocolate scent. I love all of them. I probably will be finding someone to give the original lip sleeping mask flavor to because I already have a big jar of it, but the gummy bear is a fan fave of mine. I have it in the little glowy lip balm formula that they have. I love the lemon one. I love lemon scented things. I think that the sweet candy one is really nice. The mint chocolate is probably my least favorite, but I don't not like it. I don't not like mint lip products. So yeah, this whole little set is super cute. It's unfortunately sold out online, but if you can still get it at your local Sephora, I would recommend checking it out. All of the complexion products that I got from the sale, I actually went ahead and swatched in stores, which I really liked doing. I usually try and guess my shade online, which has worked out pretty well for me in the past. But with these specific products, I really wanted to see what they looked like in stores. I'm especially happy that I did that with the Tower 28 Sunny Days Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Tinted Sunscreen. These shades looked wildly different in stores compared to how they looked online. I ended up going with the shade 25 Ocean Park, and if you want to see this in action, you can check out my last little get ready with me that I did. I did a first impressions of this product. I picked it up from the sale. I've been really enjoying it. I like the coverage of it a lot. I like the wear of it when paired with more mattifying products because this is a pretty dewy product. I have been liking the Tower 28 Tinted Sunscreen, and I'm really happy that I picked it up during the sale. Another item that I picked up from the sale was the Sephora Matte Perfection Tinted Moisturizer. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. I did a kind of full face get ready with me using all items that I picked up from the Sephora VIB sale. That video will be up after this one goes up, so definitely be on the lookout for it if you want to see how some of these products, you know, perform on the face. I picked this one up in 07 Linen. I was kind of torn between this shade and 08, but I ended up going with this shade, and it's like a perfect shade match, so I'm really happy that I did this one. The entire Sephora collection was 30% off instead of 20% off, so I did pick up a few other things from the Sephora collection. In my experience, I've had pretty good luck with the Sephora collection. I feel like they offer a really wide range of products, and even their shade ranges are pretty decent, and they just have tons of variety in their line. So I think that that's awesome, and they obviously are a bit more affordable than your typical brand sold at Sephora. The third and final tinted moisturizer that I picked up from the sale was the Say Slip Tint. This is their tinted moisturizer, and it has an SPF of 35. I picked mine up in the shade 4. I definitely want to play around with this a bit more before I do a review on the line. I did pick up enough items for like a full face of Say, enough items that they had, except I do think that they have brow products, and I did not get a brow product. I just can't justify adding more brow products to my collection. I just can't at the moment. So yeah, I have been enjoying this. I do want to use it a bit more before I come out with like full opinions on it, and I do want to do like a full face review on the Say brand. I already shared these in my last Get Ready With Me that I did, where I did like a first impressions on the Tower 28 tinted moisturizer, but I also got the Tower 28 little lip duo that they have. I think that the Tower 28 lip glosses are so adorable. They are so cute. I wish I liked them more than I do. It was only $22 for the two of them, plus obviously the discount. I do think I like the clear formula okay. Like if I just wanted a clear gloss, it is pretty comfortable on the lips, but I feel like when pigment is added to it, it just is not my jam. It's like too silky on the lips, and it kind of like bleeds into my mouth, and that's really uncomfortable. And the product itself I would not say was sticky, but it does kind of like connect. So like while you're talking, you do have like little gloss strings, and that bothers me. I will say that the color is cute. I just got a little bit on instead of a lot. Yeah, the color is cute. Already though, I feel like I'm tasting the gloss. But yeah, I just picked these up. I wish I could give you a better reason besides they are cute. I can see myself using the clear formula though, and this is a permanent shade, like they have a permanent clear lip gloss. I think it's just the chestnut shade that is limited edition. And then the last item that I picked up in store was the Janessa Myricks Color Fix in the shade Ballerina. It is what I have on my eyelids right now. I had my eyes on this shade for a little while now, and I finally picked it up after swatching it in store. It is so gorgeous. It's like this beautiful foiled pink shimmer, and then the base is kind of rosy. So I can wear this on its own. I can wear this on top of shadow to just get a bit of shimmer. That's what I've done today, and I just adore it. Let's get into my online order. It is my birthday month. My birthday is November 26th, and I'm turning 25. So out of the birthday gifts that Sephora was offering, I went ahead and picked out the Laneige set. It comes with the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream, and then it comes with the water sleeping mask, and then it also comes with a little mini sleeping mask. So now I have 2 sleeping masks to find new homes for, which is fine. Like, who doesn't love a lip balm? So I'm sure I can find someone that will appreciate them. The other hair item that I picked up is from Verb. This is their curl kit. It comes with full-size items, which I thought was awesome, and the price really was not that bad for 4 full-size items. And I gotta say, I'm liking it. This is my second time using it, and I just washed my hair this morning, so let me just show you my hair. It's honestly looking pretty nice and shiny and healthy. I did end up plopping it and then kind of like laying down because I washed my hair at 5 a.m. this morning. So I think it is a little bit flatter because of that, but I did use it the other day and I did not plop my hair, and my waves and like my little curls that I have were so soft and beautiful. And that was so refreshing because the past few hair products that I've tried, like shampoo and conditioner wise, I've not been loving. So I'm really happy that I finally found some new stuff that I've been liking. The set comes with the curl shampoo and then the curl conditioner. The conditioner is pretty hydrating. It's not like super lightweight, but it's also not very thick, which I think is nice for like a regular standard conditioner. Like it's not a deep conditioner, it's just like a regular conditioner. And it's just the perfect amount of hydrating without being like really heavy. And then the curl shampoo has a lot of lather to it, which some people really don't like in a curl shampoo. I like a co-wash type product that doesn't lather, but I also do like a lather. Like I like a soapy, thick lather, and that's really what the curl shampoo is. Also, I love the packaging. I love the variations of orange. I think that that's super cute. It also comes with a curl cream, and then it also comes with a curl leave-in conditioner. So the first time I used the system, I did not pull any additional products from anywhere. I just used the system and I really liked it. But then this morning I went ahead and used the Cake Curl Whip, which is a new curl mousse that I've been trying out. This is a bit softer than the Not Your Mother's curl mousse, and I love the smell of it. It smells like lemon cake. Like it smells delicious. So I have been trying it out and hoping that my opinion kind of changes about it because I do have like a long way to go. Let me get into the other products that I picked up from the Sephora collection. I picked up the Colorful Matte Blush in the shade Over the Moon. I felt like this shade would look really flattering on me. Let me put a little bit on my cheeks right now. It's not as pigmented as I thought it would be, but in a way that is kind of nice for a blush. I already have blush on, so I don't think it's really gonna make that much of a difference. Let me like go ahead and swatch it for you. Yeah, it's really, honestly, it's not really even showing up at all, but maybe it just kind of is like a wash of color. Maybe you can see it like a little bit. I don't know. The color is really cute. I'm kind of shocked by it really not being that pigmented. I remember when I was younger, I had like a coral blush from Sephora that I loved, and I wore it like every day. I kind of wish I remembered the name of it so that I could have repurchased it just for the memes. But I do feel like it added a little bit of color to my cheeks. I don't know, blush can be weird. Sometimes it really doesn't swatch and show up at all, but then when you put it on the cheeks, it's not like vibrant, but it has color. Sometimes people don't want really, really intense blushes. So yeah, I'm still playing around with this blush. I thought that the color of it was really unique and not something that I already had in my collection. Two other items from the Sephora collection. I got the Sephora Sheer Liquid Eyeshadows, one in Matte Almond and then the other one in Matte Russet. These are super sheer once blended out. They kind of remind me of the Glossier Sky Washes, which is kind of what I wanted them for. I wanted to find like a dupe of those. They sheer out so much more with a brush. I actually have both shades on my lids right now. As you can see, they're sort of just like a wash of color, which is really what I wanted. So these are perfect for what I wanted. I just started a new job that has me waking up at like 5 a.m. and like leaving the house by 6 a.m. So I wanted something really easy that I can just kind of like throw on the eyes, blend out really quick, and these are exactly that. I don't feel like I need a primer with these, which is awesome. I do think that the longevity would be a bit longer, obviously, with a primer, but these are really easy to just kind of like pat back in place with a finger. And even without doing that, I do find that these last quite a long time on the eyelids. Another eye product that I picked up from the sale was the Tarte Quick Stick. This is a shadow liner. I got mine in matte tan / brown. One side is a eyeshadow, which I kind of was expecting this eyeshadow to be a little deeper than it is. It ends up shearing out and I don't know. Has a little bit of color. It's definitely like a cool tone taupey shade. It does crease quite a bit, so it's not something that's going to be like a super long wearing product. It is really creamy and blendable, so that is nice. And then the other end is the eyeliner, which is really pigmented and also very smudgeable, which is how I wear my eyeliner always. I really wanted this also for those like really early mornings where I just want to get something on my eyes and then add mascara and then go. And this is good enough. I do just kind of wish that they had more options and that they maybe had like a more deeper, warm toned eyeshadow stick. I picked up the Saie Sun Melt Natural Cream Bronzer. I got mine in the shade Medium Bronze, and it's humongous. It's so big. I really enjoy the shade on me. I think that it's a great bronzer shade. I think that I can wear it year-round, which I really love. The bronzer is super dewy. I haven't really been loving it when I'm wearing really dewy face products, but when my base is a bit more matte, I do like the bronzer. I just feel like when the base is too dewy, they really don't mix well together, and I can end up looking a little bit patchy. It really sticks to my facial hairs, so that's kind of looking a little bit wonky. But yeah, I still want to play around with these products a bit more. I love how huge this bronzer is. I could see someone having like a really minimal collection and this being like their only bronzer and this lasting them like 2 years. I also picked up a Saie blush. This is their Dew Blush Liquid Cheek Blush, and I picked mine out in the shade Rosy. For some reason, I was expecting this product to have a pump, but it has like a huge doe foot. Kind of reminds me of the Rare Beauty blush. So that is what Rosy looks like without being blended out. I do think that this blush shears out quite a bit when blended out on the cheeks, but I'm really happy with the fact that it doesn't end up looking super duper pale on me. I was kind of worried that this shade would look kind of like a pale pink, but it definitely has really nice color to it. The last Saie product that I picked up from the sale was this Magic Mini Kit. It comes with a lip gloss and then their mascara and then a mini highlight. I thought that this was a great option for me. I did not need a full-size mascara, I did not need a full-size highlight, and the lip balm was a good way for me to try a lip product from Saie. I think that they do have a couple of lip products, but I wasn't really that interested in any of them. This lip balm is really pretty. It's super duper thick. You can kind of see it there. It has like a little bit of a pink hue to it, but it pretty much goes on very clear. Lastly, from the Sephora sale, I picked up the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Matte Liquid Blush in the shade Faith. I was on the hunt for a really nice purpley toned blush. I did swatch the Fenty Beauty purple blush and I wasn't loving how that was looking. And I swatched this Rare Beauty blush in stores and I really loved the look of it. They just didn't have it in stock, so I ended up just placing an order and purchasing it online. I will say though, unfortunately, I am kind of disappointed by the matte formula in the Rare Beauty blush. I have another one of these in the shade Joy and I love it, but I feel like the matte blush formula goes on so patchy, like way more patchy than I was expecting. You can literally see right now how patchy it is. Like I've just blended it out with my finger, which is so unfortunate because the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Joy, which is their more like radiant creamy formula, impressed me so much. So I didn't even think anything of it, that this was a matte formula. I just figured it was going to be great. And yeah, I'm kind of disappointed by this a little bit. I did use it today on my cheeks, but I mixed it in with the Saie Beauty highlight to kind of make it a little bit more dewy. And I really like how it turned out. I think that it was a good idea. And I think I will have fun like mixing this product in with other products to kind of see what works best. But yeah, I was kind of disappointed with it, which is kind of upsetting. I have done quite a bit of shopping these past few weeks. I have a few other like orders that I'm waiting for that are coming in. Some makeup related, some clothing related. I also recently put in another order from Shop Miss A. They were doing 11% off of their site for Singles Day for like 11/11. November is always a big shopping month for me, between like all of the sales that all of the brands decide to do and also the fact that it is my birthday month. I always go a little overboard in November. That is it for today's haul though. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I got from the Sephora VIB sale. I will keep you updated on the Forever Moods candle scent that I'm getting in. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about all of the items that I picked up from the sale. I would also love to know what you guys ended up picking up from the sale and if we ended up getting any of the same items. That is going to be it from me today though. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you aren't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, and hopefully I will see you next time.